When making a freezer to instant pot meal, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is load the bag with all the ingredients. Chili is a fantastic option for freezer to slow cooker meals. We're just gonna make a simple pinto bean and black bean chili. Once all the ingredients are loaded in there, you're gonna wanna transfer your bag to a round bowl and let it take the shape of the bowl. And the reason that we do this is because the Instant Pot insert is round, and if you freeze this flat, it will not fit into the Instant Pot insert frozen. And that is the whole goal of this, is to be able to take this frozen ball of delicious, as I like to call it, and add it straight into the Instant Pot with a cup of liquid. So I'm gonna seal this shut and then we'll put it in the freezer. All right, it's all sealed and ready to go into the freezer, and I'm gonna freeze it just like this in the bowl. And then later today, I will take the bowl out and leave the round frozen meal in the freezer until it is time to cook it. Once the meal is frozen, you can take it out of the bag and just leave it, or out of the bowl, and leave it as a round ball of delicious in your freezer. When it is time to cook your freezer meal in the Instant Pot, you are going to take it and put it in a bowl of warm water for a couple of minutes, just long enough to get it to separate from the bag so that you can flip it upside down into the Instant Pot insert. So here we are a couple of minutes later, and it is time to add this frozen bowl of delicious to the Instant Pot. But first we need to add some beef broth. You need a cup of liquid in your Instant Pot insert in order for the machine to read that this is ready to cook. And then we're gonna take this frozen bowl of delicious chili and turn it upside down. Do this one-handed. Right in here, I'm having trouble doing this one-handed, so let me film this after. I'll show you when I finish. All right, I got the frozen ball of delicious out of the bag. It is there frozen solid. That's why we froze it in a round shape so that it would fit into this round insert. And I got my cup of liquid in there. I'm gonna put the lid on, and I'm gonna set this for, you could do a couple options. You could do manual for 30 minutes. You could do bean and chili. I'll just do bean and chili to keep it simple. We're gonna let that run. It'll take longer to come to pressure because that is frozen. It'll take about 20 to 25 minutes to come to pressure, and then 30 minutes to cook. And our chili will be bubbling, waiting for us in about an hour. All right, it's finished. I actually ran off and was doing other things like helping kids with homework and folding laundry. So the pressure's out, and all I have to do is give it a good stir. And we have got our chili ready to go. And here we go, ready to ladle and serve. I'm gonna get it salted with some yummy steam. Totally hands off, totally easy. From the frozen bowl of delicious to this amazing bowl of chili. I hope you enjoy this freezer to Instant Pot meal, or any freezer to Instant Pot meal that you know your family would love. Be sure to check out the recipes we have here on myfreezeeasy.com.